presenting the Jeep 2019 Renegade Latitude. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: quick order package 2XB included, engine 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, steel gray clear coat, black premium cloth bucket seats, tires, 215/60 R17 BSWS Touring, STD, transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 aluminum, STD, engine, 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR, STD, front-wheel drive and power steering. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.